Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing how to send an email using the Gmail app on your smartphone or tablet. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your device. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, you can find it in the Google Play Store. Once you've opened the app, look for the Compose button. Located at the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on it to start composing a new email. In the To field, enter the email address of the person you want to send the email to. You can also add multiple recipients by separating their email addresses with commas. Next, add a subject to your email by typing it into the subject field. Keep it short and to the point, but make sure it accurately reflects the content of your email. Now it's time to compose your email. Type your message into the body of the email. If you want to attach a file to your email, tap on the paperclip icon at the top of the screen. You can then select the file you want to attach from your device. Step 7. Tap on the Send button. If you decide you don't want to send an email, you have a short time after to cancel it. Tap Undo to recall a message. To watch more, subscribe.